Checking your account balance on Raiffeisen Mobile is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your financial information. Step 1. Download the app. If you haven't already, download the Raiffeisen Mobile app from your device's App Store. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth installation. Step 2. Log in. Open the app and enter your login credentials. This typically includes your username and password. If you are a new user, you may need to register first. Step 3. Navigate to Account Overview. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select your account. In the Account Overview section, you will see a list of your accounts. Tap on the account for which you want to check the balance. Step 5. View balance. After selecting your account, your current balance will be displayed prominently on the screen. You can also view recent transactions if needed. Now you can easily check your account balance anytime using the Raiffeisen mobile app.